Hi ma'am, have a nice day. I'm Gerald Pasqua from BSIT 82A. My chosen topic is topic A. Define globalization using a definition provided in the module. You may also conduct additional research, discuss both the positive and negative effect of globalization. Globalization has had significant environmental consequences. The increased demand for natural resources has led to environmental degradation and climate change. The transportation of goods across long distance has also contributed a greenhouse gas emission and pollution. Positive effect of globalization. Number 1. Economic growth. Globalization has lifted millions out of poverty by creating new job opportunities and increasing trade. Number 2. Cultural exchange. Globalization has facilitated the sharing of ideas, cultures, and value, enriching our lives and promoting understanding. 3. Innovation. Globalization has accelerated technological progress, enabling us to access new technologies and innovation. Negative effect of globalization. Number 1. Inequality. Globalization has widened the gap between the rich and the poor, as some individuals and countries benefit more than others. Number 2. Job displacement. Globalization has led to job losses in certain industries, particularly in sectors where work can be outsourced. Number 3. Environmental degradation. Globalization has increased the demand for natural resources, contributing to environmental degradation and climate change. Globalization is a complex and multi-phase phenomenon that has both positive and negative effects. While it has brought many benefits, including economic growth and cultural exchange, it has also posed significant challenges, including inequality, job displacement, and environment degradation. To maximize the benefits of globalization and minimize its negative consequences, it is essential that adopt a more equitable and sustainable approach to globalization. This can be achieved through policies that promote fair trade, protect the environment, and ensure that the benefits of globalization are shared more widely. By working together, we can create a more just and sustainable world.